Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your aspect ratio and your screen size on your Sony TV with Google TV. So for on the home screen, you press the home button and then go on over to settings right here and we select this. We want to go down to display and sound, then go to the right or select this and then go to where it says screen. Adjust the aspect ratio and the viewable screen area. So let's select this. And you may want to go ahead and switch over to your source before you go ahead and do this. So I'm on HDMI 3 source. And if you try doing this on like the home screen, all these options will be grayed out. So now I have the option to go to wide mode, wide normal, full, zoom, etc. here for my screen adjustments. So I'm just going to leave it on auto. Then we have the wide zoom 4:3, normal for the aspect ratios. Also, we have the auto display area. Automatically adjust the viewable screen area based on the signal. Then we have a display area +1. Available when auto display area is turned off. So let's turn this off right here. And then we can increase or decrease the screen by 1. So if it's not aligned correctly, so let's just go to auto area. Then we do have screen position right here, which is grayed out and unavailable for me at the moment. So we might have this available if we're in like a wider zoom or if we're on the TV source. We can just check that out later. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.